Hello, ABC Call Center executives. I'm Melanie Parkinson, and I will be presenting to you today some ideas on ways we can incentivize our employees to give us some ideas and suggestions to help improve the company. So why suggestions? Here at ABC Call Center, we like to encourage employee feedback and suggestions. We feel that this is the best way to find efficient and productive ways to help the company succeed. We want to foster a culture where our employees feel safe to share ideas. We want to find ways to show you that we truly care about how you feel while at work and that we are willing to listen. We would love to hear the ideas employees have to make things run better. They understand better than the executive what is needed on the call center floor to help make their job easier and more effective. So we will create a suggestion email that will be set up, and employees can email ideas and thoughts to this email whenever they think of something. This will make it easy for them to send suggestions at any time of the day. Here is the email address we will set up. Ideas can be sent 24/7, any time of the day that works for the employee. Then a review team will be created to help oversee the ideas as they come in and define those ideas that are something we are able to implement. Sometimes this may require that one employee, or sometimes it may be a department, will be in charge of making that implementation happen. The review teams will include people from multiple departments so that there are viewpoints from all aspects of the company. There will also be a plan to report back to the employees the idea or suggestion that is being put in place. An incentive program will be created for those who are willing to share ideas that will help their team or help the company overall. This may include promotional items with the company's logo on them, or it may include gift cards or other monetary items. If it's a suggestion that helps with the overall ROI of a certain area, then the employee could be entitled to a percentage of the money saved from their suggestion. We hope that some of these ideas will be useful for the company. Thank you.